This is an egg separator that was sent to me by the brand. Let's see how well it works. So I am not great at separating eggs. I can do it, but it'd be nice to have a tool that is also fun to do it with me. Also, if you have kids that want to help you in the kitchen, give them something a little fun to do it with, right? But yeah, this little skeleton head egg separator is just cute. So I've washed them all off and let's see them in action. So I'm going to tilt you down here. I've got a bowl with an egg. So and I have decimated the shell, which is why, see, I don't break them even, which is why I don't separate them with the shell. Bring you in a little closer here so you can see this working. All right, so you're just gonna squeeze them in, put it over the yolk, and there you go. Your yolk is inside. The white is separated. And then if you need the yolk, you just pop it back out. And you have both. Pretty easy. Should we do it again? Let's do another one. Crack the egg. There it is in the bowl. Just gonna put him right over the yolk. Squeeze it. So you can see here, squeeze it and let this suck it up. It's gonna hold the yolk inside. Just shake it. See, it holds the yolk. I'm shaking it, it's holding the yolk just fine, right? And then if you need the yolk for something else, just squeeze it and it pops it out. So there you go. All right, wash my hand real quick. We'll be right back. All right, so we've seen this little guy in action. So if you're looking for an egg separator, either for yourself or maybe have kids help in the kitchen, this might just be what you're looking for. I hope that this video has helped with your decision-making process.